Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 283. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6, 7 here, so 5, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 here, 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here, so this is our 8. 3 here makes this our 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 9, 9 here, so 6, 8, and no help here, 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 6 here, so this is our 1. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here, so this is our 9. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. That 8 and 9 makes this our 6, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this top row, we're just missing a 1. For this row, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. And for this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.